in northwestern Indiana, Central Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 7:30 a.m. At 6:44 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Crown Point, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Shearville, Hobart, Crown Point, Highland, Chesterton, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Hebron, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons, South Haven, Porter and Winfield. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 7 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 14 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 242 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Valparaiso University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Lake County Fairgrounds, Porter County Fairgrounds, and South Shore Rail Cats Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Building.